All right, so there's the boat there. Probably about a 50-year-old Folbot Sporty. I'm going to put it in the water, see if it floats, and if it floats, I'm going to take it for a paddle and see how it paddles. It's windy today, so I'll paddle upwind. All right, well, it's floating. First thing I'm noticing is the backrest is too high for this life jacket. That's not the boat's fault, though. I'm gonna get my kayak log app going and see what kind of speed I paddle at. Okay, so this boat is a new to me boat. I picked it up on trade, so I didn't pay any cash for it. It's a Folbot. That's Folbot. So it's a folding kayak, probably I'm thinking 50 or 60 years old. A really cool boat. When a guy offered me the trade, I jumped right on it. It does need a little bit of refurbishing. These are big waves I'm in right now, big wake from a power boat, and the boat feels really, really stable. I'm not going for a long paddle. I'm just going to go try it out. So this will be just a test paddle on my new to me vintage Folbot Sporty. It turns easily. Here's some big waves I'm turning into here. Big power boat, big stink pot. Yeah, that's what I've read about these boats, is that they're extremely stable. It's a fairly wide boat, about 32 inches, 15 feet long. I need a higher seat. That's my biggest problem right now. So basically this boat is constructed using a aluminum longitudinal frames that break down to come apart, to fold up, and then plywood transverse frames that kind of keep that aluminum frame in shape, and then a skin that's stretched over top of that. And I don't know what the skin's made out of, if it's a cotton, maybe a treated cotton. The bottom is certainly rubberized, and yeah, so it folds down into a couple of backpacks, so you can fly with this boat. And I gather when they were new, some pretty impressive voyages were done on this style of folding skin-on frame kayak. Oh, this boat has no skeg attached to it right now, although it is equipped with a rudder for sailing. So I guess how that would look would be when you're sailing, it's a hand tiller. All right, I don't have a lot of time for playing today. I just wanted to do a really short test paddle. Check the kayak log. Oh, there's no water in the boat, so there's no leaks. The skin's in perfect shape, or good enough. Average speed 3.8 kilometers, top speed 5.3 kilometers. That's going upwind. I'm going to turn around, head downwind, and see what kind of speed that gives us. Okay, kayak log has top speed of 7.3 kilometers per hour. It's about 4 knots going downwind. Average speed 3.8 kilometers. That's pretty slow, but I'm playing with my camera and stuff. It's not a race boat.